Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add a buy button to your Shopify store, step by step and updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin and from the left menu, click on Sales Channels. Step 2. Click the plus button to add a new sales channel and select Buy Button from the list, then click Add Channel. Step 3. Once added, go to the Buy Button section in your dashboard, then click Create a Buy Button. Step 4. Choose whether you want to link to a specific product or a collection. Most people start with a single product. Step 5. Select the product you want to promote and click Select. You'll now be able to customize the button's appearance, layout, and functionality. Step 6. When you're done customizing, click Next. Then copy the embed code provided. Step 7. Paste this code wherever you want the button to appear, on your website, blog, or any external page that supports HTML. Tip: make sure the platform where you're embedding supports custom HTML. Some site builders may restrict third-party code. That's it. Your Shopify Buy Button is now ready and working. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy Shopify tips in 2025. Thanks for watching.